everyone, I'm Sarah Kajumko, and here's your market wrap for Tuesday, January 12th. Stocks retreated throughout the day, finishing well into negative territory. Some gloomy news on the earnings front put a damper on sentiment. The trade deficit jumped to its highest level in 10 months during November. According to the Commerce Department, the balance exceeded expectations, growing to $36.4 billion. Earnings took center stage today. Alcoa kicked off the fourth quarter season by posting a loss that narrowed from last year. However, results were disappointing as analysts predicted a profit. Shares plummeted more than 11%. Meanwhile, KB Home sank 4% despite better than expected fourth quarter earnings. Shares took a hit after the company's CEO gave a cautious report about the recovery in the housing market. And Walmart gained nearly 1%. The rollback retailer will close 10 Sam's Clubs across the country that haven't been performing well. Let's see what all this meant for the market. The Dow lost 37 points, or nearly 0.4%. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq sank more than 1.25%, while the S&P dropped 1%. Now let's take a look at the Treasury and commodity markets. Treasuries moved to the upside, recovering recent losses. Crude oil dropped sharply as traders looked ahead to the Energy Department's inventory report due out tomorrow morning. Meanwhile, gold slid, finishing below $1,130 an ounce. On the currency front, the dollar remained stuck in the mud versus the euro and lingered around 1.4490. Before we go, let's take a look at what's on tap for Wednesday. Chicago Federal Reserve President Charles Evans is expected to speak on the economy and monetary policy at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time. At 2 p.m., traders will watch for the release of the Federal Reserve's Beige Book, and at the same time, the Treasury budget is due. There's your market wrap for Tuesday, January 12th. I'm Sarah Kajumko. Have a good night.